Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will just discuss to you guys how to create a program that using C# to ask the user to give a value in kilograms, and then our program will simply convert the kilograms value into grams equivalent. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here a series of library that is being generated already by the Visual Studio in C#. And then we have here namespace kilograms underscore pounds class program. Static void main, it is the starting point and ending point of every C# program. Console write new line. The title of our program, console write kilograms to grams in C#. The \t here represent horizontal tab. It is the same if you are familiar with C, C++, or even Java. And then we have here \n to new line, and then we declare a variable here, decimal kilogram, convert to decimal. So gram kilogram, we simply multiply with 1000. So the gram here will be the conversion assignment statement. So the expression is simply kilogram multiplied to 1000 grams. So 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams. New line here, and then we display the result. Kilograms is equals to grams, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended in terms of execution. Console write new line, console read key to display. And then this one is already been generated by the Visual Studio C#. The close. Let us go to our Visual Studio code, Visual Studio, and then let us click the start button. Okay, our program is running right now. Kilograms to grams in C#, give kilograms value. Let's say we have 5.6 kilograms. 5.6 kilograms is equals to 5,600 grams. End of program. Let us close. Okay, let us run again, second time around. Kilograms to grams in C#, give kilograms value. Let's say we have 8 kilograms is equals to 8,000 grams. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilograms to grams using C# programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my 2 websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.